With DID Video Studio, creating high-quality avatar videos is fast and simple. First, choose how you want to begin. Pick a ready-made template or start a video from scratch. Now you can choose a stock avatar from the library or create your own personal avatar. Want a custom look? Click Create Avatar and upload a photo or a video to build an avatar that feels uniquely yours. Prefer a different look? Switch to the AI-generated tab to prompt a new character to use as the presenter. If you want to level up the delivery, select a V4 avatar and determine which sentiment you want the presenter to display. Next, move to Script. Type in your text or paste in a draft. You can also record or upload an audio file of your own. It's time to choose a voice. Pick a language and a voice from the library, or clone a voice by uploading audio or recording one. Preview the voice with your avatar to make sure it matches the look and energy, then fine-tune pronunciation and pacing. Now bring it to life with visuals. Open background to choose the setting for each scene. Then use text, shapes, and media to add titles, graphics, and your own assets exactly where you want them. You can add more scenes as you go. When everything looks and sounds right, give your video a name and click Generate. In just a few moments, your polished avatar video is ready to share or download. Want variations? Duplicate your project and switch the avatar, voice, or visuals in a few clicks. Ready to try it? Start creating your first video in DID Video Studio today.